custom truck to take a look at it, unique especially in classics. 1976 Ford F100 short box, got a street rotted out. Take a look at that flame paint job over the black, multi-colors. This truck is also riding on air, and I'm going to lower it here at the end of this video so you can get an idea how it looks with it lowered also. Nice setup, professionally done. 390 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome bumper up front, grille, headlight, surrounds. And also you can see the condition of the paint. It is in nice shape, nice luster to it. This truck was actually just restored in 2003, so not that old a restoration. If you want to see the engine bay, check out the interior, the bed, the undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Boyd Conican 5-spoke polished wheels. And also take a look at how straight this truck is. Those long panels show very well on this one. And you can see the glossy finish. Nice reflection coming off that black paint. Also a custom interior to go along with the rest of the look of this truck. Some pinstriping on the inside. We'll slip around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay, and then like I said, I'll lower it down so you can kind of see its show stance, if you will, if you wanted to lower it any of the shows you go to. As you can see, soft tonneau cover. In the still pictures on our website, you'll be able to see the box is finished off quite nicely also. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few service items that were recently done on this truck. It does have a new compressor on it. Rack and pinion steering, master cylinder, brake booster. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay. It does have a posi rear end. I believe it was like 3.0 gears in it. New battery in 2021, as well as the carb being rebuilt at the same time. We get underneath the hood, you're going to see an Edelbrock carbon intake, headers. We'll get into that here just a bit. All right. Nicely finished door panels. Kind of a graphite, dark charcoal. Then we do have some custom stitching, the blue, kind of to match the highlights of the blue flames on the exterior. There's one little spot, little wear area there. It's worn through. Shoulder belts. Wipers work. Did have the aftermarket Kenwood radio fired up. Blower fan works. All right, let's go ahead. Before I fire it up, let me explain this air ride quick. So what we do is you have front and rear as far as the gauges, and then left and right, so you can control it at all four corners. This would be the front, this would be the rear, then of course left and right. Kind of the ride height their previous owner stated as far as kind of the nice stance and going down the road, how it rides out, is approximately 100 front and about 30 in the rear. So that's roughly what it's at right now. Alright, go ahead and check out the gauges here. Look at that 390, a little rumble to it. Oil pressure coming up, fuel gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temperature to be up at all in the engine. And then altimeter. There's that Kenwood aftermarket radio. We do have some custom stitching on the dash, also matches the seating, door panels. There's the custom pinstriping. Alright. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Door closes nicely. Body panels, the fit of this. take a look at the still pictures. It looks good, and as you can see, walk around the video here too. Nice sounding truck, nothing over the top, but nice, healthy, deep rumble coming out of that 390 V8 underneath the hood. And that is paired up with an automatic transmission, of course. All right, let me pause this a second. We'll get this hood open and check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Good shot underneath the hood. Also nice glossy black paint, as well as the engine bay here. There you go, 390. Again, you can see power steering, new master cylinder, brake booster, hooker headers down there. So nicely equipped. It was front disc brakes also, so power steering, power brakes, front disc. There's an Edelbrock carbon intake, mentioned that earlier. Heater hose is still hooked up. Alright, so good looking engine bay. I'm going to go ahead and close this engine, or close the hood, I should say, and I want to lower this. So we're going to come in here. Lower the front first. We'll push these two buttons down. We'll do the rear. Like I said, if you had it at a show, you want to lower it down. Give you a look at the stance now. There you go, 1976 Ford custom pickup, F100 short box, street rotted out. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.